My hair's being good. I washed it today. Anyways, I almost forgot to film an intro for today's video. And I need to remember to look at the lens up in front of me because I keep looking that way at the flip out mirror, whatever it's called. But anyways, I started my warm up for my workout, and I thought, hey, you have a camera that you asked for Christmas 2 years ago because you were going to film, so go get it. Batteries were charged, thankfully, so I decided to record my workout. I'm gonna post it. I hope you guys like it. Today was leg day with a little bit of upper body sprinkled in there, but let me tell you, it was a doozy. I'm going to be feeling it tomorrow. I feel it right now. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Last set, best set. That part didn't look very pretty. Oh, but I felt it. Got deficit deadlifts next. And you're probably wondering, why is she still wearing sleeves? Well, because I gotta protect my knees. Because I be getting old. My hamstrings are feeling everything today. Okay. So we have this bench that I can do leg extensions and hamstring curls on. I usually just keep this on. The preacher curl attachment. So I hold my weights for me while I set up. Oh. And instead of dropping them on the floor, I just drop them back on the attachment. Oh, that was my last set. I'm done. I'm gonna cool down and then I'm gonna go eat some breakfast because my tripas are like, they're ready for food. Oh, workout ran a little bit longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. Because considering how I've been feeling the last couple of days, it went really well. So we're gonna take it as a win. I'm gonna put the dishes away. I started the dishwasher last night, and then I'm gonna get to finishing breakfast just because it'll help me feel a little bit more clear-minded, and then by the time I finish eating breakfast, I'll be able to put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. So let's do that. Since bruh, why? Like, I don't know. It's been a hot minute since I posted the video. Since the last one, changed my hair, lost 20 pounds roughly, pulled back about 8 to 10 of them, back down about 7. Been on summer vacation. Decided to go back to work for another year. So what I've been doing, all while at the same time going to school, being a mom and a wifey. So I'm going to be very, very busy, which is good because it's what I needed. Because I was kind of falling into a little bit of a funk. So I'm very happy for that, very excited. Gonna try to do this on the side as well. Oh, I just like, when I decide to do things, I just like pile everything together. I don't know, like, I feel like sometimes I just like working under pressure. I don't know, but we're gonna see how well this goes. I have, what, like 2 videos up before this, so I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just happy I washed my favorite coffee mug. I have like 3 main ones, 4 that I use. But this is like my absolute go-to. My mom let me have it when I moved out. Thank you, Mommy. Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Papa caught?
Yeah. But he's not here yet. Puppy's still working. Close it. Thanks, babe. Thanks, babe. Say bye. Thanks, babe. So last night before I went to bed, I decided that I wanted chilaquiles for breakfast today, especially because I knew I was going to be training legs. So I air fried my tortillas. They're a little dark, I know, but they're nice and crispy. Because I am currently in the middle of another cut. I was in the middle of a cut the last time you guys like heard from me. But I've since then gone through a maintenance phase, and then or a maintenance phase because I put back some weight, which is totally fine, not a big deal. But I'm currently cutting till about the 1st or 2nd week of September, so right before my birthday. I'm feeling really good, but anyways, last week I made these. I'm like, I wonder if it'll come out like good, you know. So I put a couple of tortillas, like cut up tortillas in the air fryer, and they air fried very nicely. So I'm gonna make chilaquiles again because it's what I want. It's what I'm craving, you know. I'm gonna measure out my portions. I already logged it on my phone. Where did I leave my phone? Give me a second. Where did I leave my phone? Let's ping you, girl. Okay, I found it. So, let me see. I woke up around 5:15-ish, started training around 5:30, 5:40. Workout was like 2 hours. So my meal right now, I get 35 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, and 40 grams of carbs. So this is, let's see, I'm gonna try to make it so you can see it. Might be a little bright. There we go. So I'm gonna be having some fat-free cheese, 2 whole eggs, some egg whites, some onions, and I think it's 3 tortillas. Yeah, so I'll count out my pieces. I'll add my sauce, add my cheese on there. I'm gonna be doing the egg whites and the onions on the side. It's gonna be delicious. At least the chilaquile part. Let's see what else. I could probably even add 1 more tortilla. Let me see. Let me go in and edit. Oh, I'll go this way so maybe you guys can see what I'm doing. So, come on, focus. There we go. So obviously, if I go up to 4 tortillas, that's like way too many carbs, right? It puts me over. Even if I reduce the onion completely. So we'll leave the onion, and let's say 1.5, and I'll just drop until it hits 40. 3.2, so we'll just do about 3 tortillas. We're just gonna keep it as it is. We're not really gonna change anything. But I love the app. It's great. I can go in and change it as I need to. Like if I hadn't gotten up at 5 in the morning to work out, I would have just gone in and changed my workout time or removed it altogether if I decided not to work out today. But I got up, made myself get up because I have to. I'm trying to get my body used to waking up early. I'm slowly pushing back the time. Okay, the goal is to wake up at 4 so I can train by 4:30 to like about 6 o'clock. Because once I go back to work, I'm gonna have to train early in the morning or at night. But honestly, I prefer mornings. It's how I get my energy. But anyways, let's get cracking on this food. All right, I'll be right back. There I am. Okay. Well, it's not the prettiest looking plate. I will say that, but honestly, I didn't even try. But I know it's gonna be amazing because I've made it before. Last time I did overcook my eggs a little bit. I can't think of the word for them right now, but I do like the egg yolk to be a little runny, so it'll like, you know, run onto the tortillas. And you just, my mouth is watering. You know, mix it in. gonna hit the spot. Definitely gonna hit the spot. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, you know. I hope you liked it. I don't know, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so if I like ramble, I'm sorry. I'm just not used to being in front of the camera, at least not this camera. On my phone, totally fine. But anyways, yes, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.